What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to stake the Trader Joe token within the Trader Joe platform. So Trader Joe on Avalanche builds itself as a one-stop shop for everything DeFi on Avalanche. You can trade, you can pool, you can farm, you can stake, you can zap, and do so much more, all within this one platform. So currently Avalanche is ranked number 4 in total value locked, with over $10 billion locked up in their protocol. And within Avalanche, we do see that the second most popular DeFi platform on here is Trader Joe, with over 1.43 billion locked up in the platform. So currently the Trader Joe token is trading at roughly 92 cents per token and has a market cap of $167 million. So heavily undervalued and a lot of headroom above it. And if we look at their 1-year chart, they did hit an all-time high previously of $4.88. So for staking your Joe token on the platform, you will earn 26.45% APR, and this is paid out in the USDC stablecoin. So today I wanted to cover a complete step-by-step guide on how to stake the Joe token inside of Trader Joe and start earning staking rewards. So let's get started. So first thing is first, what is the Joe token? Joe is a native token of Trader Joe, a decentralized exchange on the Avalanche blockchain that offers DeFi services including swapping, staking, and yield farming. Trader Joe claims to take a community-first approach and to prioritize innovation, speed, and safety. It aims to provide a one-stop shop DeFi experience and to integrate new products without compromising on security. To achieve this, Trader Joe has outlined an ambitious roadmap that focuses on token holder growth. Trader Joe provides all the functionality of a modern DEX and offers a convenient user interface combined with speedy and cheap transactions. Users can provide liquidity by participating in one of its yield farms and earn Joe as a reward token, which can later be staked and used to vote in governance proposals. Cool, so as you can see, the Joe token is the main coin used on the platform, and it is the reward token that's received anytime you provide liquidity to any of its various pools, or even if you farm, you are paid out in the native Joe token. So in order to stake the Joe token, the first would be to install MetaMask wallet. So the website here is metamask.io, and on here you would click on download now and go ahead and click on install MetaMask for Chrome and click on this blue installation button, and the wallet will be added on the top right toolbar section where you can access various networks within the MetaMask wallet. So by default, only the Ethereum mainnet is pre-installed in MetaMask, so you will manually have to add the Avalanche network. But that's a super easy process. You would go to support.avax.network, and on here gives you a step-by-step guide on how to manually add the Avalanche network to MetaMask. So you would simply go over to MetaMask and click on your network section here and click add network, and from here you get your add a network window, and you would simply plug in all the various sections here into the corresponding sections. So the network name, URL, chain ID, symbol, and the explorer, they would all go into these corresponding fields, and you would hit save, and from there you will have successfully added the Avalanche network. Cool, so once you've added the network, the next step would be to buy and send some AVAX token from Coinbase and send it over to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, I already have some Avalanche within my wallet, but let's cover how to send some anyway. So within Coinbase, in the Avalanche page, you would click on send and receive and click on the amount of Avalanche token you want to send. And under the to section, you would paste the MetaMask address. Go over to your MetaMask, and here's your wallet address. You would copy this and paste it right here. And you can write an optional message, but it's not necessary. So once this is all filled out, you would hit continue and confirm the transaction. And once it's sent, it should only take a couple of seconds, and you will see your new Avalanche deposited into your MetaMask wallet. Cool, so once you have your MetaMask wallet funded with some AVAX token, your next step is to visit the Trader Joe website. So the website here is traderjoexyz.com, and there's various tabs within the page. So under trade, trade, you can swap for coins under pool. You can provide liquidity to various AVAX pools. Under farm, you can yield farm your LP tokens and earn double the rewards. Under launch, you can provide your Joe tokens and crowdfund new projects under the Joe ecosystem. Under lend, you can actually lend various AVAX coins and earn a nice APR for lending. Under stake is where you stake your Joe tokens, and under zap, you can actually create LP tokens with a single asset. So what we're interested here is going into the trade page. So once you're here, you're going to want to connect to the MetaMask wallet if you haven't already. So on the top right corner, click on the icon up here and make sure you connect to MetaMask. I've already connected, so if you haven't, make sure you sync your wallet to that. It's a one-click operation. Cool, so once you've connected your wallet, the next step would be to swap some Avalanche token for some Joe token. So under the trade page, what we want to do is trade some Avalanche for Joe. So under the section down here, let's go ahead and type in Joe, and here we go. So we want to trade one whole AVAX token for some Joe. So the exchange rate here would be 1 for 76.65. So as you see here, the Joe token is currently at 92 cents, and you can even view it on CoinMarketCap. We're currently at 92 cents. Cool, so in order for this swap to happen, there is an exchange fee of 0.003 AVAX. Super low. That's a tiny price you have to pay to convert this token. So once that's ready, hit swap and hit confirm. Now confirm the transaction within MetaMask. The estimated gas fee is 0.02, and a gas fee is simply a transaction fee anytime you have to transact within the Avalanche network. So go ahead and approve this and wait a couple of seconds, and the transaction was confirmed. So now you can also confirm it on Snowtrace, and Snowtrace is the explorer where you can see all Avalanche transactions. And if we jump over to MetaMask and we click on our assets, do see that now we have 76.64 Joe tokens. So now if you're not able to see the Joe tokens in your MetaMask wallet, you would have to import the token address manually. So what you can do is jump over to CoinGecko, and on CoinGecko, simply look for the Joe token, and under contract, you would simply click on the Fox icon here. And once you click on the Fox icon, this specific Joe token will be added to MetaMask. So you can view your balance here. And if you wanted to do it the manual way, you would scroll lower and go to import tokens, and on here under token contract address, you would click on this contract address, click to copy, and go ahead and paste that in. And as you can see, the token has already been added, so I can't add it twice, but that's another method of manually adding the Joe token in the MetaMask wallet. Cool, so now that we've swapped for some new Joe token, we can go ahead and navigate to the stake page and to the SJoe Vault. So from the trade page, go ahead and navigate to the staking page, and on here, what we're looking for is the SJoe Vault. So we click in here, and let's read about some of the staking information. So with SJoe, you claim your share of protocol revenue generated. A 0.05% fee is deducted from every swap and used to buy a stablecoin, which is distributed to all SJoe stakers. Rewards are distributed once per day and you can harvest at any time. The APR 7-day metric shows an annualized return that is forecasted based on the revenue collected over the previous 7 days. So essentially what they're saying is, for staking the Joe token, you're paid out in USDC stablecoin twice a day, and the way they're able to generate those rewards for you is they take a small fee every time people use the swap function here, and that swap fee is then distributed back to Joe stakers. So simply for staking your Joe token, you're earning rewards every time people use the trade function. This is a super bullish way to earn passive income. And so our 7-day APR here is 26.5 paid out in USDC. Cool, and once you're ready to stake, go ahead and navigate to the staking section here, and you can hit max and it'll populate our entire Joe balance, 76.64. I'm gonna go ahead and approve, and once more approve this in your MetaMask wallet. Great, the transaction is broadcasting. This should only take a couple of seconds. And just like that, we've confirmed the transaction. Cool, and if you refresh the web page, and you can confirm the transaction on the Snowtrace Explorer. Great, and now you can see we have a total amount of 76.65 Joe staked, and that's roughly $71. And our pending rewards is at 0 currently. And also we don't have the USDC coin in our MetaMask yet. So what you can do is click on add USDC to wallet. And from here, it'll add the USDC name into MetaMask, add token, and there it is. Great, we've successfully deposited Joe into our vault. So now the next step would be to decide what to do with your rewards. You can either swap your USDC rewards for other coins, or you can even lend USDC under the lend page. So the first option would be to swap. So keep in mind, rewards are actually paid out once a day, not twice a day, but you will have to manually claim the rewards here under Get Harvest. This is you claiming your USDC rewards. When you claim them, they're deposited into your MetaMask wallet. So you would simply click on Get Harvest and you would approve the transaction once you have rewards pending. So with your USDC, you can go back into the trade page, and here you would type in USDC. So remember, this is the USDC Avalanche version. This is not the USDC.E version, which is the Ethereum version. We are getting the native Avalanche version, this one. And from there, you can swap it for some Avalanche. You can even swap it for some more Joe token if you'd like. And from there, you can continue staking more Joe back into the staking page. Or if you swapped it back to Avalanche, you can actually send this Avalanche back into Coinbase and you would like, and from there you can cash out. So that's one option for you, or you can even lend the USDC under the lend page. So back inside the platform, we would go to the lend page, and on here, we can scroll lower, and from here you can see there's various coins you can lend out, and you're rewarded for lending out your coins. For Avalanche, you'd earn 8% for lending, but what we're looking for is the USDC Avalanche version, which is this one. For lending this out, you would net 2.90%. And so when you begin lending this out, you're paid out in more Joe tokens. So it's a pretty cool cycle where you're earning USDC and you can actually continue generating more Joe rewards simply for lending it out. And also keep in mind, this USDC is the Avalanche version. You can actually swap it for USDCE and earn up to 6%. So just keep in mind, these are two different coins, but they retain the same value of $1. So if for some reason you would have preferred to lend out USDCE, you would simply go back to the trade page, and from here, take your USDC reward and just swap it for USDC. Right. And again, roughly $1 to 99 cents in fixed value. So a pretty cool way of getting creative with some of the ways you can generate rewards. So between these two strategies, which one will earn you the higher rewards? I think swapping your USDC for more Joe token will actually generate more rewards for you than simply lending out USDC. So keep in mind, when you swap USDC for some more Joe token and you stake it, staking nets you roughly 26.5% APR. But if you were to simply lend the USDC, lending would only net you roughly 3%, or if you swap it for USDCE, that would net you 6%. So the difference between 6% and 26%, that's a 20% difference in rewards. Personally, I would recommend you just swap for some more Joe and continue staking that here. This strategy specifically will net you more rewards in the long run. But again, it just comes down to your risk appetite. They're both easy to do, and it just depends how you want to maintain your tokens. So that about covers a complete guide on how to stake the Joe token within the Trader Joe platform. I'm super bullish on the Joe token, and they have a bunch of updates in the works. And you can stay up to date on all their latest news and updates on their official Twitter page at TraderJoe_XYZ. So let me know what you think about the Joe token. Are you a fan? Do you like their platform? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.